Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you what I received from Bibo Hair, Vietnam very fast. Let's unbox with me and check it out. Wow, I ordered this hair 1 week ago. As you can see, I bought bundles with closure to make a wig. They are super nice, very smooth, thick, as you can see. I asked them to customize my color too. Now I'm really happy to see exactly burgundy color, the color that I wanted. They did very well. I highly recommend you to order from Bibo Hair. If you like any colors or textures, just tell to the sellers, they can make everything for you. Bibo Hair's service is a 5-star. Everything went so smoothly. The staff were very attentive to my order. I couldn't be any happier with my experience there. Definitely will come back for purchases.